Sam's project about Christmas.
In some places, they go sledding. They cut down their own trees in some places too.
That's a neat trick.
In some places, they celebrate the part where you get presents.
Can you read that last page for us?
In some places, they go ice skating by the palace.
Yep, and that's in London. Okay, good. What's your favorite thing you learned about Christmas, Sam?
My favorite thing that I already know about Christmas is that
What's your favorite part of Christmas?
it's usually when I get the presents.
It's an exciting time, isn't it? Okay, say bye, everybody.
Bye, everybody.